Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. This is a pocket letter that I made for a swap in the Facebook group. I said it so many times now, I done forgot what it's called. Pocket Letters and Embellishments. I believe that's what it is. It's supposed to be school themed, and I didn't have a lot of school stuff because my kids are grown, but I know I've got grandkids that are coming up, so I need to get my school supplies a little bit. I need to get a little bit more of those. Anyway, I did have some, so I'll just let you look at a lot of these embellishments like these here in the school bus and the house came from a little thing that had all these in it. I've had it forever. I have no idea where I got it. This right here, I think this girl, I'm not sure. I think she's she may be a My Favorite Things. I'm not really sure about that either. But a lot of this stuff I just had in my stash because since I hadn't done school stuff in a long time, it's just been sitting there. So I don't really know a lot of where some of this came from. But let's just go over this one. This is a stamp that I had, and I colored it in with pencils. This paper, all of this paper came from a DCWV stack called the Edumacation stack. That's this one right here. They've got a 12 by 12, but I've got the 8 by 8, and that's what I used. And it had some cute, all these cute little things in it. So if you can see, the background on this one has all these words. Well, I cut a lot of those out and put them on this one. And put a pencil here, and I made these little I don't know if you'll call these flares, or I don't know, the ones with just the epoxy stickers on the top. And then yeah, I just kind of, and this is a die I had, this whole thing. Let's see, yeah, just stickers, and I put a bunch of washi tape in the back. And this right here is a border sticker. I thought that was pretty cute for, you know, like the chairs in classrooms. This is some ribbon, and it all came out. Same stack. All of this, it had some cut apart, so I got a lot of those from here. This is a ribbon here, and this little file folder, I had a die. I thought, you know, with school and everything, file folder, I thought I'd put some little things in there. I thought that was pretty cute. And then let me put it back together. Oh man, it didn't take me really long to do this part. It took me forever to do this little thing here. Okay, well, let's do the back. This is a stamp that I have that has the front page, and then you open, it's got the pages, so you stamp it and cut it out, and that's what I did, and I just stapled it. I thought that would, you know, a couple of pages in there. And then I put some washi tape. I didn't have any school washi tape either. I mean, this one looks like it's like algebra or something. And then I had some ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and another one here, and some music stuff. Music washi. And then I made some more of these. and gave those to her. And this little envelope, it's got my little thing in it about me. And then I put in, I didn't use any of these wooden ones, but I had a thing that had school stuff in it. It's just like scissors, and I put cameras in there for like picture day or whatever, and 1, 2, 3s, and there's an apple, and then this is for like fall time when you start school. And then on the little side thing that I'm gonna show you in a second, it's got these charms. So I thought I'd give her some of those too. School bus, apples, I think that was it. Oh, and a music thing. Okay, and then those stickers like the school bus and the stuff, I gave her some of those as well. And also some die cuts. And I gave her some ribbon. I did have some school ribbon that I've had forever, and I had not even used it. So this was the first time I'd used it. And then I put some of those cut-aparts in this one right here. There's a bunch of stuff here in the bottom, but I put this one on top to make it look a little neater. Okay, and then let me show you the little side thing. This just really took me forever to do. Oh, and then I put washi tape. Oops, so hard. Hold on. I put some, it's not really washi tape. It's sort of like, well, yeah, washi tape. Not washi. It's not washi. It's just like regular tape. And so I put some of that on there. And then this, I had a couple of these here. Micro mini clipboards. There's like 3 of them in there. So I got one of them I wanted to put on here. So I put some paper on that and put a little thing on the back. And I knew I wanted to hang it down off of this thing. I didn't put a whole lot on there because I just didn't have a whole lot of school stuff, but I did put those charms, the school bus, the apple, and then I put just a little, made a little thing here to put on there, put some bling. And then this one has a schoolboy and schoolgirl. I don't know if you can see that. And then I got this music note, and then the clipboard. I didn't know if I wanted to put anything on the clipboard. If I did, it would have covered up the paper, so I just left it like that. And the clipboard had one of those weird chain things on it, and I didn't like the way it looked, so I took it off and put just this other thing on there. So that's it. I hope she likes it, whoever my partner. I think I've gotten the partners already, but I haven't really looked good to see who it is. So that's it. I hope she likes it. Let me know what you think. I haven't done a pocket letter in a long time, so, and I haven't done very many of them. But I knew I had the school stuff and I wanted to use it, so when they had the pocket letter thing, I signed up for it. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.